Okay, so here is the problem I'm having with my laptop right now in regards with the network. And this happens whether I'm on Wi-Fi or on cable connected directly to the router. Right now, if you can see the little icon for the network there, there's a little exclamation point that says no network access. Yes, that's the name of my network. I go to no network secured, and it can't, for some reason it can't find other networks when this happens. So go there, properties. Oh, wrong one. So let's right click that, network sharing center, adapter. Oh wait, what does that say? No network access says right there. Yeah, focus. Okay, I guess that's what I'm working with. Okay, anyway, so for some reason the Wi-Fi got disabled rather. So let's just right click that and enable, initializing enabled, and it's still disabled. So that's one of the things that happens. So I go to the Windows logs and find this network interface. That's the network adapter has begun resetting. There will be a momentary disruption in network connectivity. This has been happening for a while, and it seems to be the worst today. So I'm not even doing anything, and it just happens. Anyway, the other thing that affects it is Chrome. See, now it's not even responding anymore. Like every time it happens, any browser that I'm using crashes as well. Like it freezes, and that's usually the indication of. That's usually how I know that it's about to happen, when I start losing, when something starts happening to Chrome, like if I lag a bit, or if I'm watching a YouTube video and it starts skipping. I know this thing is about to happen, and I have absolutely no idea why that's happening. And the only real workaround I've had so far is to reset the whole laptop. Now, if I can go here to restart shutdown. And what will happen is it takes a real long time for some reason to shut down or restart. Sometimes I even think it's just perpetually stuck there in the shutdown or restart screen. But yeah, I am out of my wits' end. I mean, I thought it was an overheating error, overheating problem. That's not the case anymore, because I made sure that the fans are free of dust. I reapplied thermal paste on one of the GPUs, because I think one of the GPUs is on top of the LAN network port, which is right over here. That's the LAN network port. One of the GPUs is over here. It's definitely not the CPU, because it's also working pretty well. And if it's an overheating problem, then the whole laptop itself will shut down. I've had an overheating laptop before, and that's what happens when it overheated. It just shut down by itself. And the fans are working properly. I mean, you could hear that. It's I really don't know anymore. And I mean, when one of the fans, when this fan was acting up, like months ago, before I replaced it, there's a loud beep before the whole laptop even shuts down to restart itself. Oh, here we go. I think I got Chrome back, because no I don't. Yeah, that's something that's telling me that one of the web pages is not responding too quickly, or lost connection or something, and it's going to ask me to either wait for the page to load or kill the process, and I can't even click it. So yeah, I don't know. Like, if it's a hardware problem, I'm starting to doubt that a lot. Because it's also affecting other programs, like Chrome, like any browser. I pick. Like, let's see. I didn't install Firefox in this. Is okay. Just for shits and giggles, let's try Internet Explorer. Where is Internet Explorer? Explorer. Is it under accessories? There it is. Internet Explorer. Not connected to a network, of course, because, yeah, makes sense. But let's see if how fast it'll tell me that it's not connected to a network. Unable to open search page. Okay, that's probably because it is also not connected to a network. So there. It should just instantly tell me that you're not connected to a network, but for some reason, it's perpetually loading. And I could not tell you why. And look at this. This whole video, the Chrome has not been responsive at all. So yeah. I really don't know what to do anymore. If I try to disconnect from here, it'll do that. It disconnected from there, but for some reason, it's still telling me, okay, connect there. Checking system requirements. Let's see if that does anything. I highly doubt that it will. Let's see if it does anything. Oh man. Where's the Windows log? Yeah, there it is. But anyway, so yeah. Now it's now it's gone. You can't even find any networks anymore when this happens. I don't know. Look at this. Like, Wi-Fi is still disabled. I already enabled it at the beginning of this video. I'll re-enable it again. Says it's enabled, but it's still disabled. And yes, it happens with the local area connection. I'm not using LAN connection straight to the router because I have other problems with that. The LAN card itself is problematic. But yeah, I really wish I knew how to fix this, what's wrong with it, and I am at my wit's end here.